This holiday season, bring festive charm to your table with beautiful, bite-sized Christmas mini cakes. They're easy to make, perfect for gifting, and full of nostalgic holiday flavor. Today, I'll guide you step by step through 6 delicious Christmas mini cake recipes, each with simple instructions, cozy ingredients, and stress-free decorating ideas. Let's begin with warm and cozy classic Christmas spice mini cakes. These are filled with cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and all the comfort of the holidays. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and optional chopped nuts or crushed candy canes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. In one bowl, whisk the flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and salt. In a second bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, and vegetable oil. Combine both mixtures gently, don't overmix. Fold in nuts if you like. Fill your mini cake molds 2/3 full. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool completely, and sprinkle crushed candy canes for a festive finish. Next, let's make rich and decadent chocolate hazelnut mini cakes, filled with creamy hazelnut spread. You'll need 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup dark cocoa powder, 1/2 cup finely ground hazelnuts, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup whole milk, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, plus 1 cup hazelnut spread, 1 cup heavy cream, and 8 ounces of dark chocolate. Preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk the dry ingredients. Whisk the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla separately. Combine them. Fill molds 2/3 full and bake 15 to 18 minutes. Cool completely. Cut a small hole in each cake and fill it with hazelnut spread. To make the ganache, heat heavy cream until simmering, pour over chopped dark chocolate, and stir smooth. Drizzle the ganache over each cake, and top with whole hazelnuts. Now let's add some holiday color with festive red velvet mini cakes. You'll need 2 cups flour, 1 1/2 cups sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 cup vegetable oil, 1 cup buttermilk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons red food coloring, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1 teaspoon vinegar. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. For the frosting, beat together 8 ounces cream cheese, 1/2 cup butter, 4 cups powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Cool the cakes. Frost the tops. Stack them into little cake bites. And finish with sprinkles or edible glitter. Next up, fresh and festive peppermint bark mini cakes. You'll need 1 1/2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon peppermint extract, 1 cup milk, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 cup crushed peppermint candies. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Cool completely. For the topping, warm 1/2 cup heavy cream and pour it over 1 cup chocolate chips. Stir smooth, drizzle over the cakes, and finish with extra crushed peppermint. For a cozy twist, let's make eggnog cream mini cakes. You'll need 1 1/2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup eggnog, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. For the frosting, whip together 1 cup butter, 4 cups powdered sugar, 1/4 cup eggnog, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. Cool the cakes. Frost generously, and sprinkle with nutmeg. And finally, bright and refreshing citrus glazed mini cakes. Combine 1 box yellow cake mix, 1/2 cup fresh orange juice, 1/4 cup lemon juice, the zest of 1 orange, the zest of 1 lemon, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. For the glaze, whisk together 1 cup powdered sugar and 2 to 3 tablespoons citrus juice. Drizzle over the cooled cakes, and garnish with candied citrus slices and a sprig of rosemary. And that's how you make 6 stunning Christmas mini cakes, each one perfect for gifting, parties, or adding festive sweetness to your holiday table. Be sure to check out this video for more.